Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and we're going to be fixing two short, quick, but good recipes. Let's get started. Okay folks, the first one here is going to be sort of like pigs in a blanket. You'll need some Baker's Joy or parchment paper, some cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you want, some Crescent Rolls, we got the sheets. You can use the individuals also, and some hot dogs. Your choice of hot dogs. I grabbed these ones here. They was on sale, so that's the ones we used. Okay. Now this is real quick and easy. 20 minutes and you're done. Alrighty, I'm spraying some Baker's Joy on the cookie sheet here. Now we're getting out our Crescent Rolls. And like I said, we just happened to find the sheets. Here lately it's been hard to find any of that stuff. But laid them out here. Looks like it's got a few holes already in it there. Just get it out and then patch them little holes up. And like I said, if you want to, if you can't find the roll, you can probably just take that there and just piece the holes together, push it together. It'll work out just fine. Like I said, folks, just make it your way. Looking back, I wish we'd have took some onions and sprinkled on top there when we baked this, but didn't think at the time. Alright, we're just pouring out some cheese. We're using mild cheddar today. Spread this out here. Okay. Now, if we'd have had onions, we could have just sprinkled them right in here with this. We didn't have none already cut up, so. Alright, take your hot dogs. Just line them up down through here. Chili would have been good in here too, folks. Like I said, this is just giving you some ideas. Make this your own. Whatever you want to put in there, you put in there. Some of those Hillshire sausage would have been good too. Just combinations are endless. Alright, we're just going to pull this up around the edges there. We don't want all of our cheese and goodness rolling out of there. Pull them sides up. Gonna put us some more cheese. Can't never have too much cheese, folks. Okay, Doug. Let's open that other can up. Fix the top on there. Okay, bud. There we go. Oh, another hole in there. That's fine, folks. We'll just patch that up. Now just pull that around the sides. Looking good so far. What we done, we just pinched a little bit off the back there. Use as a patch over that hole. Good as new. Alrighty. Now just follow the directions on your Crescent Rolls there for the temperature you want the oven. We should have done had that preheating. We did, I just forgot to tell you. Alright, slide that in there. 15 minutes. And there you have it. It's about 5-minute prep. 15 minutes cooking. We had some French fries. It was good, folks. I can tell you. Had some mustard there for it. But like I said, chili would have been great. Onions. Just whatever you'd like. Okay, now what we're going to be making the second recipe here is little cheeseburgers with meatballs. Okay, we need some biscuits, some mild cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you prefer, folks, you use it. And then today we're using Angus beef meatballs. This is a quick, simple, cheap recipe, folks. We need to try to save money wherever we can. Now, the meatballs are already thawed out, and I actually stuck them in the microwave there in the bag for a minute and a half just to make sure they was completely thawed. Now, get out your biscuits, set them out. Just so happened there's 20 biscuits there, and the bag of the meatballs said there's 20 meatballs in there. There was actually 21. The little girl, she enjoyed it. Now what I did, I just pressed out these biscuits here. You can see what I did. Just press it out, thin them out a little bit, made a little bowl. Part of them you'll see we put cheese in, part of them we didn't. Both ways was good. And then just take your meatball and set on top, and then we're going to bake it for the directions on the biscuits. Now we did go over just a little bit there, bake just a little bit longer just to make sure the biscuit was good and done. And once again, the meatballs are already fully cooked. There you can see. Now I did take a fork and press the meatball down inside the biscuit just a little bit there. And they turned out good too, folks. There you can see I'm pressing them down with the fork. Good and juicy little teeny cheeseburgers. And there you have it, folks. 2 quick, simple, good recipes. Tasty. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Share with your friends about us. And you all have a blessed day. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.